Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create ocean wave gradient background in Photoshop. Create a blank canvas and grab the gradient tool. Open the gradient editor to set colors, then choose deep blue and sea green. Add one extra light blue stop in between. Drag the gradient vertically from the top to bottom. It instantly resembles ocean's depth. Add a soft textures overlay for realism. Set blending mode to soft light. Lower the opacity to around 70%. Then duplicate and rotate slightly for wave effect. You can also add sunlight using radial gradient. Place it near the top center for brightness. This combination creates